How to fix Wi-Fi not working in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on connections, and then here you can see the option more connection settings. Now click on it and then click on private DNS. Make sure you turn it on automatic. After select automatic, then click on save and then go back. Now click on connected Wi-Fi, and on top you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on intelligent Wi-Fi. Now here you can see, make sure you turn off switch to mobile data option, and make sure you turn off switch to better Wi-Fi network. Now turn off this button. After turn off these buttons, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.